Hi there, welcome to Don's Workshop. This is part 2 of my Mattel Brickshop Mercedes-Benz 300 SL build. Got the chassis all started here last time, and now we're going to continue. Not as satisfying opening these bags because you got to use scissors. But here we go. We've got more pins in here. Now, that's the wrong way. And then these axle pins, where are they? Oh, they're brown. They look orange in the picture, but they're actually brown. Okay. And now I need these, these slopes go like this. Oh, look at that. That's a different slope, I can say that. 2x3. Okay, now we have ones that go on the ends here. They line up nicely. Not as nicely. Okay. Okay, let's get next pieces on here. Solid, and what do we got? We got 2. What are we doing here? We're doing this. Okay, so now this goes like that. Let's do it again. Except it's the other way. That goes here. And these go on either side here. And kind of making it so, okay, so for some reason we have a 2x, that's the blue one, 2x5 on this side. And then the 2x4 plate on the other side. Yeah, so there it is, and now we flip this over. And we have these, okay, it's not the two-sided one, it's just regular plate here. That's gonna go there. Oh, well, wait a second, you gotta put these in first. And then put that on top, okay. And same thing on the other side. Okay, now there, and these bracket type pieces. They're just like, they seem so much more flimsy because they're not like, they're just kind of a stud sticking out. Okay, this 1.5mm piece was specifically developed capture finer details for a more authentic build. So that's these. Oh, look at these. These are like inverse tiles, but thin. Okay, so let's see. They go down here. I don't know, just regular inverse tiles would be fine, probably. Like it doesn't, it's not like it lines up better or anything, so I guess whatever. They're not bad. It's good to have that flexibility. Will now might be more useful on other builds. Unless this is because this has got a lie flat on something, and that's what that's for. So we'll see. That could end up being beneficial, where you can just have it lie really flat against something else. Okay, so we got a tricky little piece here. That goes in here, and then we have. Wow, it's like, okay, it's this side brick, and then we have the one with the cheese slope with the stud on it. And we do that again on the other side. And the cheese slope with the stud on it. And those go in the corners. See, look at that. That's gonna be pretty good or something. Okay, so we have dual-sided stud piece. Now, Lego does not, seems to just want to refuse to make those. So, not sure why. I know I've seen, they're not, this is the only one. Lots of the other brick manufacturer makes those. I'm not sure why they refuse to do it. They could be used both for strengthening stuff and for just flexibility. Oh, those are silver. So I'm not sure why. Yeah, some more dual-sided ones. Okay, so those. Oh, they're supposed to be the blue ones. Okay. Yeah, the blue ones go here. And then the black ones. Now, it could be that it's like it's cheating, I don't know. But it is handy. I have to say that. If you want to put stuff together. Okay, and this jumper, or well, it's just a regular brick. And we have a printed license plate. Imagine that. Crazy. Okay, so this goes this way. Just a nice, I'll just print the license plate. Simple. Okay, so we have more temporary pieces. Gonna have a lot of these temporary orange pieces, it looks like. And they need to go on either side here. And then that gets popped on over here. Or no, other way around. It's supposed to go upside down. Uh-oh. Now that's a pliers problem. Okay, so this is supposed to go this way. There we go. Okay, so We can get, well, what's this? That's really different. Okay. That is quite a bit different. A no stud piece. No studs. That's crazy. Okay. Now we have to take these guys. Oh, we're actually, oh, that is pretty neat. One by sixes, they go here. Okay, now, 1 by 5. Okay, and then we put got a clip and these down facing brackets. And there should be another black one. Ooh, here's where we got printed stuff again. We got printed G-slopes, just some printing. And we need a red one. And we are gonna put, okay, this one is the red one first. And the orange one, look at that. Oh, that's great. That's like perfect almost. And where does that go? That goes on this side. We need a stud there, plate, and that is gonna sit right there. And now we have a bar with this little cap thing on it. That's probably for the trunk. Okay, now we do the other side here. And for the lights on the other side here. And still have to line them up. Didn't fix that. They couldn't improve on that part. Still have to line them up. The 1x1s. Okay, so that goes there. And now we have to connect stuff here. So this is gonna go, it's gonna go there. And then that, no, we need a, oh, the ones with the, need the Technic 1x6s. And there should be another one in here. Not that one, this one. Where's the other 1x6? There it is. Okay. Now, that slope goes there. All the way there. Okay. Now we do this twice. That one. There should be, there it is. Oops, there we go. And now these bricks line up. Okay, now there is, goes there. And we have these slopes, inverse slopes. Okay. One by 8. Big brick. And 1 by 8. Okay, and then there is 2 1 by 5s. There's one. There's the other. Ah. Oops. No, I didn't do that right. On this side. Okay, there we go. And then there's 2 1 by 2s. And there should be one more. There it is. Oh. This plate, oh, look at that. It's got some holes in those ones. In the corners. And we have the 2 red 1 by 2s. Okay, now this is a different piece. That goes underneath. So pop that in there. Now, ooh, we got printed. Oh, see, yeah, this 1 by 3 is printed over here. Okay. There's Mercedes-Benz on it. And this is going to line up like that. Okay, and these slopes. This goes on the inside. Maybe. Okay, we got the other side here. Okay, and then like that. Okay, so there we go. Now those go on either side. So the Mercedes-Benz sticks out here. Okay, there we go. And oh, we put putting these on. That goes there, and then we put the other cheese slopes on. Okay. So we got 2 of these. I don't see the other cheese slope. Oh, did I screw up? I did. This side. I missed that one. That's not supposed to be that cheese slope. That's supposed to be just one in a tile. Apparently. Okay. Fixed. Okay, now we have to build this piece here. These blue pins. Oh, it's supposed to sit like that. And then okay. Ooh, here's the printed slopes. So it says 300 SL on it. Just a second, did I miss? I did miss that. Okay, now look, when you print it, they don't have to worry about matching up stickers. It's like it's perfectly done. That's what Lego needs to be doing on those ones that are like across multiple. Just print them so we don't have to try to be matching up stickers. Like, they can print them exactly the way they need to be. Instead, we're like trying to match up stickers. Just print them. Like, fine, you put the stickers where you don't really have to worry about where they match up exactly, but man, those parts where it's like across multiple pieces and you gotta match them up, or it doesn't look very good, they could just do it. They could just do it. Okay, those are some funky slopes there. And other... do that again. And, that's got a little... that's a little gas tank piece there, I think. That's right, I did them the right way. Okay. And there's that little piece. We're hooking these 2 up. And then slopes, oh no. Like this, I keep thinking it goes on top. It does not go on top. It goes underneath. And a... slopes here, and you go up here. Am I supposed to? No. Oh no, I just put another piece together here. That's supposed to go underneath. Yeah. Okay. And then that is supposed to face like this and hook up like so. Okay, can I get those on? Or is it too... Oh, wait a second. Did I? No, I didn't. It is showing like that. That's in the way. Is that supposed to be in the way? Oh, there's supposed to be plates on these. So no, it's not supposed to be in the way. There we go. Perfect. That's pretty nice. Slope on that. Okay, now just get these last pieces on here. Okay, one is that way and one is the other way. Sit this way. And then we have just two of these, the blue pins. Okay, and then those go. What? Oh, I'm not supposed to put it on both. I'm supposed to just put it on one side. Will they stick? There. So like that. And then that is supposed to go to that. Okay. And then we put these two, and they should go upside down. Okay, getting stuck in the wrong hole there. Okay, get over here. Okay, there's that one. And then this one. Oops. Okay, those are in. Now, we bring that over. We place those perfectly into the exact right spots for them. Okay, and then look at that. Exactly on the money. And it opens. That is pretty good. That's fantastic. Okay, we got some bricks. We're gonna fill some stuff in here. That's covering up the red. We have 1x4 and a 1x3. Just hook up there. And finally some plates on there. Go all the way across to hold that down. And there's that. Okay, that has been part 2 of my Mattel Brick Shop Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. Got the trunk and the bottom rear section on as well. The whole rear end is on there now. And that opens as well. It's looking really good. It's really well put together. Anyway, if you'd like to see more, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and take it easy.